This desert shouldn't exist. There are seashells buried beneath it. There are fish fossils, miles from any coastline. And the ground beneath this sand still remembers waves.
This place was once underwater.
Not briefly, not by accident, but long enough to leave evidence no desert should have. Maps don't show it. Tourists don't realize it. And standing here today, it feels impossible. But millions of years ago, this entire landscape was an ocean floor. Not a small one, not a temporary flood. A real sea, warm, alive, moving.
Look closely at the rocks.
These lines weren't carved by wind. They were shaped by water, perfectly spaced, repeating, predictable.
Only waves do this.
And beneath the sand are shells, coral fragments, entire reef systems fossilized in place.
Reefs don't grow in rivers.
They don't form in lakes. They need salt water, clear water, stable water.
This wasn't a lake.
It wasn't a marsh. This was a sea that stretched for hundreds of miles.
Deep enough to support sharks.
Warm enough to grow reefs. Stable enough to last millions of years.
And for a long time,
nothing changed. Then something shifted. Not suddenly, not violently, but slowly. The water didn't vanish overnight. It retreated.
The seafloor rose.
The climate dried. Ocean currents broke apart, and the sea began to drain.
What remained was exposed.
Layer by layer, year by year, until water was no longer part of the equation.
But the ocean didn't leave quietly.
It left salt, gypsum, limestone, entire mountains built from compressed shells.
The desert isn't empty. It's layered,
compressed, and filled with memory.
Every step across this land
is a step across an ancient seabed. Every cliff face is a frozen shoreline. Every mineral deposit is proof of water that no longer exists.
This isn't just history.
It's a warning, because the same forces that drained this ocean still exist. Basins still rise, climate still shifts, and oceans still move. Landscapes we think are permanent aren't. Some deserts were never meant to be dry. They're oceans waiting in silence. The land remembers water long after the water is gone. And one day, the map may change again.